This tiny house design has flipped the standards for living space layouts. I'm the CyberGuy. Follow me at cyberguy.com, where you can also sign up for my free newsletter. This tiny home is taking an upside-down approach to maximizing the living space. The Elbor tiny house is 20 feet long and lives on a double-axle trailer. Now, while its exterior has a contemporary look, the interior is far from it. When you walk into the home, the kitchen takes up the center of the area. Then you've got a bathroom on one side and a bedroom on the other. The bedroom is accessible by a sliding door, and hopefully you're not claustrophobic because the sleeping space has a very low ceiling. The biggest difference with this reverse home is that the living room is upstairs, which has plenty of headroom and even has a sofa that could be turned into a double bed. This tiny home currently resides in eastern France and costs just $91,000. More crazy cool tech like this at cyberguy.com. Are you getting my newsletter? Get it for free by clicking the little red button on my site.